have that blank like Orban.
If I want my Orban for the food, you could have come to me correct.
I've been telling you.
Stop fuck yourself.
I've been telling you that.
You have a blood clot, pussy, I'm dead hungry on this.
Gang, a long time no prank Abby guys, so here we are going now. She do a vlog for her channel, Abby's Madness. I'm going to go just intrude her privacy and do a prank on her. Now go around the people and I go say, hey girl, cook my baby. Hey, watch me on her, people. She might be shocked and laugh still, but it's funny. So, yeah, I try prank her, I try call her girl. And I say, hey girl, we're going to cook my bumbo class food. I'm hungry. Stop vlog and cook my food, yeah. I tell her vlog up her camera and cook my freaking food. I'll go chicken jar fries still, you know. So guys, smash the like button if you're new. You don't know anything, go Team Capo in the comment section. I must say, Team Capo in the comment section, guys, and follow up on Instagram down below. So stay tuned.
A few minutes later.
I'm not in fact good yet, no. It ain't something right. But I never like of this. Something right, people, something right. I remember every time you see Zara, you do not look at nothing. Always clean up your area. Don't be an idiot, Abby and so. Abby an idiot. You got to clean up your area. The just want to do, girl. Yeah, guys, so I ate. So the chicken still a marinate and so, you know. Watch the dirty boy run this so. Chicken still a marinate and so. So, what happened? Where happened this?
Yes, like a fucking food. I'm only from a figure on a vlog. Like a camera on food, man. Come on, bum box that food and I got the camera. Stop arguing my girl, I'm hungry. Did you have vlog from morning?
Yeah, what? What the fuck you talking to? Who you talking to?
Who you talking to?
No, go ahead.
My table shirt, you know?
Go ahead, I'm gonna take this. When I hear this, sister.
My table shirt, I'm hungry. Did you have vlog I know from morning?
Okay, but who you talking to?
What do you think my baby like to do?
No, for the sale for you. What I'm talking about, blood clot, said. What the fuck you talking to like that?
You are also. Well, I hear, girl.
People not
Now, big man here, let go my shirt.
Okay, well, go sit down.
Let go my shirt.
Go sit down.
I don't fucking food. Me go back here, man, and I get nothing to you.
What's it? Keep your mouth.
Watch your mouth there, man, you know. Look at me seeing like there. You don't come out again. Let go shirt now. Oh, you want shirt?
I'm supposed to do what these people not hear this?
Take it. Come on, food, give me my girl. Camera, check it. Be a lap on camera.
No vlog, we have vlog.
I'm hungry, Abby. You know I'm tired of hungry, they have vlog. I'm tasting the food fast and done.
We need to have a camera. Nah, this still around. Who you talking to? No, who you talking to?
Backside, man. I'm
Yo! Don't touch my camera. Hey, boy. Oh, you not stop. Who you talking to? Who are you talking to? People want to see this. Also, kid, look at Dirty Boy now. Like, Dirty Boy starts smelling jazz now. Not for that.
Come for the food. I beg you.
No, but who you talking to? If I want my Orban for the food, you could have come to me correct.
I've been telling you.
Stop fuck yourself. Do not come to me, so. Do not come to me, so.
Watch your hand then.
Do not come to me, so.
Watch your hand then, little girl.
Don't pick up a little dirty girl and talk to her in all. Don't come to me, so you're bright.
You're not the host.
You're fucking bright.
You can't relax yourself.
You're bright.
Relax for the good self, man. I'm going to cook the food, man. Tell you to cook the food now.
When you have a blood clot, pussy, I'm dead hungry on this. When you have a blood clot, pussy, I'm dead hungry on this.
You can't cook me that. I'm working about it. To go for chicken, man.
Okay. People now see the clear listeners right at so.
You can't cook the chicken.
Oh no, you're dirty, stinking, dirty, nasty junko. I come talk to.
I come and take food, man.
Where the blood clot is? Kepo, I don't even want to hurt you.
Look at the camera. Can I take my arm for you? Backside, man. I want to joke like I think I pay time. Backside.
You see, I'm walking out.
You want to put the food outside? Vlog. I'm hungry. When can I understand that? We don't have man on life to do.
Yes, I'm walking out. I'm walking out and I can't come out of this street where I have fuck around. Why you take on phone?
Why not in the kitchen? I come down. Why not in the kitchen?
Why you take on my phone?
Why don't in the kitchen look at that lady?
So why don't you assist me?
Assist with what?
And then no, and that. You come and come
From
and I come
morning to
around.
up on the road.
It doesn't fucking matter. We both been tired, we both been busy.
Yeah.
Why you come and talk to me like that?
For the food. That's all my head. The day I man. Okay guys. For the food. What's the other that to do?
How many more? I don't tell that, you know.
Earth.
I'm going to take
Earth, they
your
walk on, man. Earth to the door.
phone. I'm putting my son here, so. I don't know how to put my
Yo.
But the mom, take up. How the fuck leave this dirty boy? I want to kill him in the ear. I want to kill him in the ear.
Come back on it. Come to you. When you go for me, come
Why I do that,
Why you
though?
so the camera for me?
Me a fucking vlog. I'm vlogging.
I'm speaking on my phone. People do their vlog and they
So one time I used to talk about your food and vlog. You never know say you spit on your food.
And now you're spitting on my food. Just put the food and give me a vlog your side of the phone. Simple as that.
Oh, be careful they say.
You do that,
Pussy
yeah.
don't touch me. Keep on moving for them because you don't even want to hurt you. And I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to put my hands on you. Because you know you take me. Walk you out in there, you walk you out and talk to people that come and tell me phone.
I'm sorry. You're a lady. You're job. You're duty.
Now you go pick me. I go pick you anyway. Pedophile.
Yo,
Look,
don't
pick you
forget
there.
yourself to that here.
Bombat.
You how much?
Now you stop.
You how much? No, I'm serious.
Yeah.
You don't know. No, you how much? Tell him. You're 24, me how much? 25. Don't forget yourself here.
We need my laugh. Sit down.
Don't be here.
We need my laugh.
Don't do it again. Don't do it again, man. Don't do that again. You know tell her? Do not do that.
But I told you I fuck you up in there.
No, I'm serious. I'm
You told me I
Don't
fuck
do that again. Don't do that again. Boy, you have to pay me, man. Don't do it here. You want to younger than me. Don't do that again, man.
People, who know see this junk with them phone a while ago? No, I'm have to talk to you. That's some of the part of his madness now, you know, because guess what? I'm tired of relationship life.
Don't get from your man.
So why the fuck you have with me? Why you?
No, but real, I'm going to go food. I'm hungry for real.
Yeah, you're so bright. You're not too good at put back by your girl, cute.
Hungry though. Put it in power.
Hey, all of God, fuck them all day. I talk to my madness people, them. I have 10 foot for me.
One song, get it, man.
Eh? Kepa, I'm at that time man beat me one time me young.
Yeah, you're young. You're big one now. Somebody come.
I walk call a phone there. People, the boy know what time it is. I find a look at James that chat from me a while ago.
Yes.
I want to know people in the business phone. People remember say, we have a look at business I go and shop AC gang and so follow up on Instagram, yeah. And go look at product them. Yeah. I'm up. Yeah, look at me. I'm a while ago. Me say what he ask this. Got a boy I have to lick him head. Yeah guys, so when they have on the chicken for marinade. I give about 5 more minutes and so and I'm gonna start fry up. Cause we're gonna fry in the deep fryer, yeah, good girl, yeah. Fry up before good girl fry out.
So, you see that back phone up on the camera? Eh? Look at my phone.
Capo, no, don't do that now. Don't do that.
Alright, I think that.
No, I'm not all of that. We fuck you up.
Abby, you nobody know.
My ear.
Abby, you nobody.
You know I'm my ear in the
bad. Ease yourself, Abby.
Capo, look here if you got my ear.
Oh, sure.
Mona, Jankra. Yo, move fast and look at you. What? People want to see the fuck you. You want to see the fuck you.
Yeah, Abby, but thing one thing, you can't make your boyfriend hungry, you know.
Capo, you're not my boyfriend.
You can't make your wake up me.
Capo, may I have friend. People wouldn't
You can't
even
make your friend
know.
hungry,
Excuse. I'm
You know
telling
that.
people there, move.
You can't make your friend
People
hungry.
right about
People
now.
like, subscribe and
My
share.
dad Abby's Madison, so I'm a single girl. I'm a
Like,
single,
subscribe
I'm a
and
single
share.
Rachel, I'm a single also.
I want a man
So-
come and text in that commentation and delete them and block them comments. See?
Yeah, I'm a single also. Cause the dirty boy,
So I'm forever.
the dirty boy, actually I don't even know the boy not act right. So,
Forever.
he's a single woman right now. Some of them on the market.
Yo,
Una-
don't tell them thing,
Una Apple can deal with my madness and all. Una have to deal with everything that come with Abby. Yeah. Especially the madness. The madness 100% you have can deal with. Because if you can't deal with that, well, take your eyes off good girl and so. Right so, right so.
That doesn't sound like a lady like thing to do, you know.
Excuse me, my youth. Me looking for my husband. God say ask and he shall be given to you. So I'm asking. Excuse.
Don't take people for granted, yeah? Alright.
No, take your own advice.
Me take it.
Yo, come on for me now. Watch it now. You still at Wolan. Watch all.
So, oh yeah, there's a vlog for this man, they say?
I'm vlogging for my Abby's badness.
Oh, people just prank her, go back, Abby and Cap come on the TV.
No wrong way. Think I'm no way find time for a prank.
Yeah, guys, so don't look more, you know?
Move now. So as me that's the people, yeah, good girl, they right so single. Yeah. Right so. Watch out. What you doing,
Put bat in the head.
why you put your bat in my head? What blood clot? This boy really put him bat in my head and do it double time.
Double tap, like that.
Nah, I want him to go do some TikTok right now.
Bomba!
People not gonna do some TikTok as in talk about double tap. I'll be back. Yeah, why me a TikTok the chicken and marinate? Yeah, so stay tuned.